Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will do unboxing of my new iPhone 15 Pro Max and first impressions of white titanium color. I was really lucky to get this smartphone early. A big thanks to the team of Virgin Megastore Dubai Hills. So let's unwrap it and see what's inside the box. The white titanium color looks fresh and it really feels good in hands. It's quite lighter than my 14 Pro Max. Definitely feels premium. I also like the slight round edges compared to the last year's design. You get USB Type-C to C cable with SIM ejection tool and some paperwork. With just one Apple sticker this time, bravo Apple. Let's unwrap the display and boot it up for the first time. Wow, the display looks great. And you will definitely notice the thin bezels compared to the last year's thick bezels. It really makes it more sleek. And I also feel slightly slimmer, shorter and also lighter than the last year's iPhone 14 Pro Max. The silent button is also changed to a new customized click button. Titanium matte finish on the side feels better, as you don't get any fingerprints unlike 14 Pro Max stainless steel version. And finally you get a USB Type-C port, which should have been there on the earlier version. I must say I quite like the build quality and the in-hand feel of the new iPhone. Camera sensor also looks slightly bigger this year, and the screen also looks slightly more punchy and bright on this year's iPhone. I will definitely have to do more testing and definitely check the new cameras. This time only 15 Pro Max version gets 5x zoom feature. There's still no comparison with Samsung's zoom capabilities, but Apple should have at least included a 10x optical zoom for the Pro models. Overall, it's not a huge upgrade, but I will definitely need to do more testing with this smartphone to find out more and give my honest opinion. Well, that's it for this unboxing and first impressions. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.